रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. It's so wonderful and I am really too much excited to join you all here, my dear students. My dears, leaders aren't made. They are not born. They are made by their hard effort. They are made by their hard work, which is the price which all of us must pay to achieve any goals, to achieve anything which we want. My dear students, I have infinite best wishes. I have endless best wishes for all my grade 10 students. We welcome all our students to the new academic session 2020 to 2021. Welcome, my dear students. My dears, I am Izarlal is here to teach you your biology subject, unit number 10, gaseous exchange. And our today's topic is Introduction to Respiration, Breathing and Gaseous Exchange. As we know that all living organisms need energy to perform their life-sustaining activity, to perform their daily activity for the continuation of life. We also already know that the ultimate the extreme source of energy for life is sunlight. Photosynthetic organisms means those organisms which prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So these photosynthetic organisms capture sunlight and prepare energy-rich organic molecules like food by utilizing by using carbon dioxide and water. So oxygen is released as a byproduct. Byproduct mean a product made during the manufacturing of something else. So oxygen is released as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Dear students, respiration takes place in all organisms, and during respiration they use oxygen to break down organic molecules into carbon dioxide and water. Why organic molecules are broken down? It's for the sake to break down these molecules into simpler units and to release energy. My dears, in this unit we will study that how organisms give and take gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. These gases are needed for the process of photosynthesis and respiration. We will also study the human respiratory system and its common diseases in detail. First one is respiration. Respiration is an energy releasing process at cellular level. In the process of respiration, food molecules, for example glucose are broken down. Glucose are monosaccharide, mean one sugar units are broken down into simpler compounds like carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. We know that for aerobic respiration, oxygen is required for complete oxidation of food molecule. Aerobic respiration means which depend on oxygen, O2 are free molecule. So oxygen is required for the complete oxidation of food molecule. Oxidation means the addition of oxygen to a compound and the removing of electron or hydrogen atom. While carbon dioxide is released as a byproduct. You people also know about byproduct, a product which is made during the manufacturing of something else as a result. It means that all organisms need to take oxygen from the environment, means air or water, for the sake to perform its respiration process. They also need to release carbon dioxide into the environment. It means that the intake of oxygen takes place and the release of carbon dioxide takes place. Second one is gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange means the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place between an organism and its environment. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place in or out. Gaseous exchange occurs by the process of diffusion. And diffusion is a process in which molecules move from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Third one is breathing. Dear students, breathing is the physical process in which animals move air into and out of their body. It is done to get oxygen from air and to release the carbon dioxide which is present inside animals. In higher animals, lungs are the organ for the process of breathing. In breathing, fresh air is made available to the respiratory surface of the lung for the process of gaseous exchange to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide between an animal and its environment. As fresh air has a higher concentration of oxygen, O2, than is present in blood. Fresh air contains higher amount of oxygen as compared to blood. Blood contains lower amount of oxygen. So therefore it diffuses. Diffuses means spread. It spreads, it diffuses into the blood. At the same time, the concentration of carbon dioxide is higher in the blood. See the difference here? The concentration or amount of oxygen is low in blood as compared to the concentration of carbon dioxide which is higher in the blood. By this way, it diffuses, it spreads into the lungs and is expelled out by the process of breathing. Now look at the picture and observe the relationship that exists between respiration, gaseous exchange and breathing. Air from the surrounding, from the environment moves to lungs. This air contains oxygen. So oxygen is taken from air and then transported to cell. There it is used to oxidize food. There it is used to add oxygen with food, and by the process of cellular respiration, carbon dioxide is produced as a byproduct. This carbon dioxide which is produced as a byproduct is transported to lungs. Carbon dioxide is then released in air and this air moves out of the lungs to the surrounding. And by this way, this whole process continues, starts again. Now read the topic thoroughly and make 10 MCQs. Also learn the definitions of respiration, gaseous exchange and breathing. My dears, also observe the relationship between respiration, gaseous exchange and breathing and write a brief note on it. Stay safe, stay blessed. Best of luck, take care and Khuda Hafiz.